welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, we're going to show you how to cancel a YouTube TV subscription in 2025. So if you don't want the TV or YouTube TV anymore, just go and open a browser and simply go to the URL section. Make sure to type tv.youtube.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this should take you into their website right away. So make sure that you are signed in into your account. If you're not, you would like to be so because you would like to cancel like a subscription in a specific, on your specific account. So for me, of course, I'll have this issue. So I'm just going to sign out because like it's not available other than the US, but for you, you will be able to sign in normally. So now as an example, once you're signing into your account, you'll have to go and access the settings. Okay, I just here logged in. And as you can see, what you'll have to do is simply go and click on settings at the top right corner. So click on your profile at the top right, then go and click on settings. This, as an example, should take you into your settings. So it's a little bit slow for me, but don't mind that. So normally here, you should find yourself in this membership area. If you have any membership, you will be able to find it here. So for me, as an example, and as you can see, I have add. So I can add those stuff to my membership. For you, you should find cancel or pause instead of add. Here, an example, you should find everything that you're subscribing to. So just go to whatever you want to cancel or pause and click on it. So of course, you'll find manage. You can click on manage, and then you'll be able to choose, an example, the thing that you're subscribing to. And then you'll be able to click whether cancel to fully stop your subscription or pause if you want just to come back later. And you might be asked, of course, for a reason. So just pick one and continue. So once you choose that, you'll have to click on yes, cancel to finish. Your service will end at the end of your next billing cycle. And that's basically it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.